Very welcome to everyone. I'm Mohammed. I'm part of the team Bridgers. I'm the project design and test manager. Uh, First of all, thank you to all my fellow teammates who have worked hard to make this job nexus an AI job matching portal. It's it's in today's market, it's really helpful to have all things at one place. You see LinkedIn, you see Indeed, you see a lot of like there are many job board markets that are out there. So many websites and applications that help you find a new job, find the dream job. In today's market, I think this is very important and necessary for all of the students, recruiters, seekers. Our main goal is to bridge the gap between recruiters and seekers, especially there's a lot of communication gap happening. You sometimes apply to a job and you never know how long it takes for you to hear back, or sometimes recruiters get a lot of applications for a single job. And if you go on LinkedIn, you there is like a job posting you see, and you see that sometimes you don't know if it's still open, if it's still accepting applications. So we built Job Nexus. So Job Nexus is what we believe is the next big thing happening right now. So this on my left side is a recruiter dashboard. On my right side is my applicant dashboard. So a recruiter can post a job, let's say a machine learning engineer, right? And the company name, let's say AI one. And location, Corpus Christi, Texas. It's a full-time job and it's an entry-level job. And salary range is about 60,000 to 70,000. So the job description is we need uh, it can be anything. ML engineer experienced with PyTorch, Pandas, and NumPy. These are machine learning libraries. Now, requirements are minimum 1 year of experience and a master's degree. So benefits and perks is up to us. Whatever we want to offer is that doesn't have to be anything so exclusive. It totally depends on the company. So taking that liberty, we would just say 401k, uh, bit which a lot of companies offer, right? So key skills to having machine learning develop for a machine learning engineer is Python. You need AWS, cloud migration, it's good, or GCP is also good, and you also need natural NLP algorithms. All right. So, and we also give an option called visa sponsorship. It helps you. You don't have to. It's a good add-on for students, like international students, majorly who are being settling in the United States. Uh, I think it's a great feature to have on the recruiter side. And application method, you either apply through external website. So that if you have a company on your domain, and you can put your external website there. But for now, we're gonna put for apply through Job Nexus, and we post this job. All right. So machine learning engineer AI1, this job has been posted. Now we go find my applications. oh, let's go find jobs. So here's, you see machine learning engineer has popped up. Now say I want to view and apply. So all these details, the job description, requirements, benefits and perks, how job details are well listed in a table, very neatly organized and everything. Now, so I want to apply. So I just click on apply now. So I write a good, as a user, I write a good description why I'm a good fit. Like say I uh am a master's student with 2 years of ML engineering experience building modern data pipelines. Right. So that would be a good statement of purpose, a good statement of intent for your recruiters to see. And here you can apply a resume. I'm gonna put a resume. Sorry, I have so many resumes here. So it's gonna parse resume and let's give it some time. It mostly takes about less than a minute. Sometimes maybe uh 1 minute, 30 seconds, but not more than 2 minutes. So it's really fast, really easy to apply. So here everything's parsed. So let's say you want to enhance for this job. All right, so this is the original, the summary. I have data scientist with experience in machine learning and everything. Your experience is parsed. Uh, yeah, data scientist, all of it. So everything is parsed very neatly, organized. Now we see like a difference, what's been enhanced. Let's see, let's take the summary. So data scientist with experience in machine learning and natural language processing and data analysis. So it's very vague. It doesn't give you much much insight about the user. Now let's go in the enhance. It says, oh, highly motivated and results oriented. So these keywords, adding these keywords is really important when you apply for a job. I think adding these action verbs and telling you to the point very concisely who as a user you are is really important for a recruiter to see, because a recruiter only looks at your resume or any application for merely about 12 seconds. Correct. Now I want to use this enhanced resume. So I go to my next step. So if you want any additional details, you can, it's better you do it. Like I was a data scientist and I have 2 papers published in the field of AI. So this is where you get a chance to stand out. Okay, you get a chance to express yourself, what you're doing, other than ahead of the crowd, ahead of what other people are doing. So I'm available to start immediately, and my salary expectations. So you give anything, I would say like 95,000. When there's a drop bar like job board, and you agree, you review your application, and you submit. All right. So after your applications, you can view your applications. So you can still see there's a status saying I'm pending. And so I have like a personal note, say I'm a master student with all of this uh, amazing content that you can add or anything. Now, let's see if my application is being viewed on the recruiter website. So say I go to my listings and I go to view applicants. See, I just applied and it's instantly, brought it up here on the recruiter website. Now, I would like to, and interestingly, you can see on the job posting here, you can either edit it, you can pause, even like there might be a hiring freeze, but you're still looking for a candidate, or close the application. Uh, and that would be seen here on the applicant side too. Now, I would like to see the details. Now, I want to analyze my resume, the user's resume, and see how well the candidate matches the job requirements. Let's give it some time. I say good things always take time. See, it's a strong, really strong match, and he's like recommended. It says, oh, the AI says recommend, and it gives the skill match, education match, experience match, location match, and also the relevance. And there's some, you can also see what are the strengths and what are the gaps and everything. And let's say top concerns are like I lack someone the user lacks full-time industry experience. So yeah, so this is a good recommendation. So I just close it and here I see I wanna if I like the candidate, I think 85% match is mostly a good criteria to shortlist candidate. So I've shortlisted this candidate here on my recruiter dashboard. So as soon as now let me see as a user if I am shortlisted or not. Okay, my applications, yes, I've been shortlisted. So this is pretty amazing to see it. So basically what we're trying to build is time constraint, decreasing the time constraint between a recruiter and a seeker, and giving them all the experience of AI, building resumes, networking, and at the same time finding jobs, enhancing the resumes based on the job description, and giving real-time updates on your status and real-time updates on your job postings and number of applicants you have, giving all the dashboards, you find jobs, you can like have a conversation with people. Uh, the recruiters can contact you here. Uh, Now you can find similar AI powered job recommend. These are all AI powered job recommendations, and you have a resume builder. So select this, select a different resume this time. So parsing is done using Llama Index. Llama Index is an open language model. Uh, it's really it's transformer based, and it's really helpful at this point. It gets you out the contextual meaning. You've seen the analysis there, this 85%. It gives you that contextual analysis using Llama Index. We use a lot of API keys. Your resume is generated with Gemini. You can save the preview my resume. Okay, right there you go. So there's an option to download as a PDF or edit it. Uh, like edit whatever you like, and if you add a position, you can like add a position, so it gives you a real-time experience of adding content to your resume while it's enhanced using AI. So yeah, so I think So going back to the recruiter, I think 85% match is a really good match to be shortlisted. Now I see there are no uh, applicants that have been applied to this job, so I would like just hire the candidate at this point. So just kind of hiring myself. Um, so here's say I'm hired. So that's pretty big, pretty much what we're trying to do. Thank you so much for listening in. Uh, I hope in future we add more extensions, make it available to public. I mean, we already hosted it on Vercel, and we trying to upload it to App Store, Play Store, so that different people can use it. Mostly, this was beta testing happening with different users of our uh, between our what do you call it, developers. I think having job nexus, having this tool can help you build connections, find jobs, enhance your resume, tell you about how many, well, I got rejected for one, tell you about how many got hired, what's your monthly, track your monthly activity and stuff, look at your job listings, look at your top candidates and everything. So there are two job listings, two top hired candidates. So this recruiter is having a good day, I guess. Well, thank you so much for listening in. This is the team Bridgers, and thank you so much, Dr. Huyen Lee, for this amazing experience with Advanced Software Engineering. Thank you guys. Have a good day.